Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash, and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So, if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So, let's get started. It's a 4-hour chart of GBPUSD, and we saw a perfect bounce, a perfect support around 1.2280 yesterday. For the last couple of days and weeks, I have been mentioning three supports on the chart of GBPUSD, and yesterday we saw market coming down to the first support and bouncing. But the problem is that there was not a proper bounce. Yes, market took the support, but we could not see a bounce like this. Okay, so as a result, there is a possibility that market may be testing the second support very soon. If you look at the chart of DXY, okay, we can clearly see that DXY tried to recover. It failed again because, as I have already mentioned in my other videos also, that for a trend reversal we need a fundamental factor. Okay, without fundamental factor we cannot have a complete trend reversal on any chart or any asset. And the fundamental factors are coming on Thursday and Friday. Yes, I'm talking about FOMC and NFP. Okay, the whole world is expecting that the dollar will fall further. It will head towards 100 or below 900 level. Okay, but to be honest, okay, in my experience, okay, I have seen market is full of surprises. So I will not predict the market in which direction the market will move. But overall, I can just say that in case a trend reversal comes on DXY, okay, then it will be because of the fundamental factors only. But before the news, okay, the market will be choppy like this only. Keep in mind, we need DXY to move above 103.50 to have a trend reversal. And in case, as per the market expectation, dollar goes down, then we will have a good sell on dollar below 101.25 because this is the last support. Okay, now let's talk about GBP USD. So here on the chart of GBP USD, okay, the three supports that I have been mentioning are still very much valid. So if you're holding a buy position on the chart of GBP USD, then be on the trade, don't need to exit. But in case during the day, okay, market falls also, then observe the market around 1.2265 to 1.2250 because this is the second support for the day. And if the volatility of the market remains normal, okay, if market does not show extreme volatility or selling pressure, then there's a high chance that market will be taking support because of Fibonacci 50% around this area, as well as we have seen market showing previous price rejection. Okay, so observe the market. If market takes support, you can go for a buy position. If not a very big bounce, at least you can expect a profit of 35 to 40 pips that we saw yesterday. Okay, so if market takes support and bounces, go for a buy position. Okay, if market does not show a big bounce, okay, at least be happy with 35 to 40 pips. And the next support or the ultimate support for the day is around 1.2220 to 1.2200, Fibonacci 61.8% that I have already mentioned in my previous videos. During the day, the resistance, okay, during the day the resistance is around the trend line. Okay, you can see that previously the trend line acted as support, so this time we can expect that the same trend line will be acting as the resistance, and the level is 1.2360. Not only the trend line, we also have the 50 moving average here. Okay, so the 50 moving average, the trend line. Okay, so if we combine both the things, then around this area market will definitely face some selling pressure, and above that, okay, this was also the previous support. So previous support to act as resistance, we have got 50 moving average, then we also have the trend line. So if we combine all the factors, around 1.2360 we can expect that market will face some selling pressure. But my dear friends, do not forget that the overall trend of GBP USD is towards the upside. So if market reverses, do not think that this will be a very big trade and you can earn hundreds of pips. Okay, no, overall trend is very important. Overall, this market is under the dominance of buyers. So if market reverses also, you can expect a quick sell where you will be able to earn around 30-40 pips only. Okay, so safety is very important. Okay, and we should always try to follow the trend of the market. Probably you have also heard the very famous saying that trend is your friend. Okay, so these are the levels for the day. Okay. And my dear friends, this is the last day for the workshop, because the workshop will start from tomorrow. World's most affordable forex trading workshop that I conduct in both Hindi and English. Okay. The link is in the description. If you are struggling with the market, you can consider joining the workshop, because this workshop has been designed mostly for traders who are struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of days, weeks, and months. This is a 3 days workshop, 2 hours every day. And after clicking on a link, okay, you'll see that you'll also get a questionnaire where you can understand whether the workshop will be useful or not, because these are the questions, problems faced by traders around the world. Okay, so if you are facing one of these problems, then you can definitely join. Okay, and I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. Okay, so if you really like my work, then you can consider it. Bye bye, take care.